Hi, this is John from Chinese Zero to Hero. I'm here to announce a very exciting new feature to the dictionary, and that is called the Learn with YouTube video feature. Doesn't sound that exciting, but what is it? Let me just show you. For example, let's say that we want to learn a little bit about black holes in Chinese. So 黑洞, for example. Let's search for 黑洞, black holes. This way you can learn a little bit about astronomy as well as the Chinese. So here are some exciting pictures of black holes from the movie Interstellar. If you just scroll all the way down, here you see 黑洞 videos on YouTube. The exciting part about this is that all of them, well, most of them, have Chinese closed captions. So for example, if I were to click on this lecture about the theory of relativity, you can see that it's loading the video from YouTube, and it's putting the entire subtitles as a transcript on the right. And the most exciting part is that this is time synced. As you can see, the highlight is moving as the person is talking. It's matching what he's saying, and it's got English translation below it, because he's talking about relativity. For example, this phrase, 牛顿力学, means Newtonian mechanics. If you were to click on that, that word will be saved to your saved words. You can just keep learning about relativity and black holes by watching this video while studying the subtitles like this. For example, this word means Earth, this word means gravity, etc., etc. Right? You can just keep studying like this while watching this video about general relativity. Yeah, so you're learning something about astrophysics as well as Chinese, which is kind of cool. This word means Einstein, 爱因斯坦. 狭义相对论, that's special relativity, etc. Right? You can just keep learning like this, and later on, after you're done with this video, you can review your vocabulary by going to dictionary and saved. So here are all your saved words. Of course, your list of words will be very long after watching that video. You can export this word list as a CSV. You can toggle which fields you want to export to. For example, you can turn on and off these fields, and then you can just copy paste this to, for example, Anki or Quizlet or Memrise, etc. Right? You can do whatever you want with this. Or you can use our Learn These Words feature, which is very special. Our learning system is not a simple SRI system. For example, for 牛顿力学, it's quizzing you on the character 学. It says, okay, there are 3 dots on top. There's a 字 at the bottom. What's in the middle here? You can think to yourself, well, what is missing here? You can click on it. Oh, okay, that's what it is. That's missing here. And you can do some quiz. For example, you can try and type the word 学 and see if you get it correctly. And if you scroll down, you can see the correct answer. You can learn how to write that. Right? It's just randomly quizzing you on different parts of the word. 地球, what is missing here, right? Words like that. And it gives you some collocations for you to learn, etc., etc. Yeah. So this is a very exciting new feature. It didn't take a long time to code. It's actually pretty simple. It took me probably just a few hours today to code. Yeah. So if you look up any word related to any subject, you get YouTube video in this section of the dictionary. You can also just go to theater, study YouTube subtitles, and then you can paste any YouTube URL here that has Chinese subtitles and click study, and the same user interface will show up, and you can study the subtitles as long as the video on YouTube already has subtitles. We also have some recommended channels here. For example, you can listen to like TED-like talks. It's like TED, but it's in China. So all of these videos have subtitles. So you can click on any of the videos and study them. Yeah. So here's like a TED-like talk, and you can click on any line to skip to that line. right? You can pause the video and then just, this is pretty simple. 包含 is kind of hard, right? So you can click on that. You could, by the way, like all these words in the tooltip are clickable. So for example, if you want to look at 包含 a little bit closer, you can click on 包含, and that will go to the word 包含 right here in the dictionary. Right? All right, so I hope you like this new feature. Please leave me a comment, and please share and like and subscribe and the works. And I would like to mention also this very how do I say, very generous user. His name is Hussein, and he's been just offering to contribute code to this project. Oh, by the way, like this source code is entirely available in my GitHub repository. So if you are a developer, if you want to contribute to our website, you are welcome to do so by submitting pull request. And yeah. All right, I hope you like this new feature, and let's stay in touch.